I'll take a photo of you.
Okay.
Okay, give it to me.
So weird.
Yeah.
This is so creepy.
Can you see my
Is this a recording?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you're such a bitch!
Wait, can I have it back?
No.
Wait, give me back my phone.
No.
Give it back.
No, you can't reach me. No, damn it! I'm gonna fall. Jesus. This is kind of scary.
Hi, Becky.
Hi. I don't know. Why do we have boyfriends? Why do we have boyfriends? How are we not single? Just wondering.
How are we not single?
That's what I just said.
Oh. How? Yeah.
How are we? How do they put up with us? It's hot. So why we?
They be wishing they have parties over their faces.
Uh-oh.
Oh, I think this is breaking.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, yeah. Alright, I want to get a photo of you, so I'm ending this video.